Opening a Shopee seller account allows you to sell products on the platform. Here's how you can start. Register. Go to Shopee Seller Center. Visit the Shopee Seller Center website for your region and click on Sign Up. Create an account. You can register with an existing Shopee account or use an email to sign up as a new seller. Verify your email. A verification email will be sent. Confirm your email to proceed. Provide business details. Fill in information. Enter your personal or business details such as name, business name, tax number, and address. Submit documents. Some regions may require identity verification documents such as an ID or business registration, depending on your business type. Link bank account. Add your bank account details for payment processing. This ensures you can receive your earnings from Shopee. Set up your shop. Shop name. Choose a unique name for your store. Add products. Start listing your products with clear descriptions, photos, and pricing. Shipping settings. Set up your preferred shipping methods and rates. Start selling. Once your shop is set up, you can start selling. Manage orders, track inventory, and optimize your store for more visibility.